Hello friends, welcome to Chinese calligraphy and the proper way to grind ink. So you'll have a nice quality ink stick and ink stone, and we will teach you how to properly grind your ink. The proper way. So prior to this, we had meditation at the beach where you collect your thoughts and collect your center, and now we are ready to grind ink. So what I have just done is just a few drops of water. You don't want to flood the whole place with your stone with water. This is ink stick, high quality ink stick, and this is made of pine soot. They cook the pine and then they scrape the pine, the soot combined with tar and animal fat and glue, and then they knead it like a dough and then put in a wooden box and then form the shape and then paint it. So some have really beautiful landscape design. This one has bamboo, okay? And then we're gonna be very center, and then we're gonna grind clockwise. And the idea is that you are creating ink through this process. So we're not in a hurry. You want to be as slow as possible. Okay? And then the consistency we're looking for is creamy and glossy. So over the years, when I'm meditating, I use this process to calm my thoughts and my spirit even more. So we think of 5 people or 5 situations that you are thankful for. That you are thankful that you live in a beautiful place, thankful you have a home, thankful for your family. You know, little things like that. It will help you to be calm and spacious. So that's the idea, that you want to have a thankful heart, and then your energy and your chi is calm. So it's getting creamier. I can feel it in the ink. And, you know, try not to hurry because the idea is to slow down. So you can go as long as you like or as short as you like. So this is the process to create tranquility through Chinese calligraphy. Okay, so that feels pretty creamy to me now. And then always rest it aside. Don't leave it like that and walk away, because this has glue, it will get stuck. And then sometimes I will use instant ink to kind of just, because I don't want to do grinding anymore, then I go right into here. Okay, so this is the creative process that I incorporate into ink grinding, and that we're ready for calligraphy. All right. Okay, so we want to talk about how to care for your stone. I run it under the sink, use a synthetic brush, just kind of clean it a little bit, and then use a paper towel to dry it each sitting. And if you think you're going to come back in 5 minutes, it's okay to leave ink on there, but more than half hour is not be ideal. So keep it clean, dry it, and then your brushes, run it under the sink with clean water, of course, just cold water, don't use soap, and run it at least 2 times until it's, you know, the hair looks somewhat back to normal. And then just squeeze out the water, and you don't want to pull on the hair. Very gentle with it. So that will keep your brushes long lasting, because some of my brushes are over 10 years and they are still in excellent condition. Okay, that will help you. We'll see you in the next video.